Oh my god. Bro, this is freaking insane. Hey. Nice. Exhaust ma निलो पनि रहेछ यार. Damn, exhaust ma थोरै निलो भइसकेछ यार. Dopo. GT4S. Getting ready. Hello. Camera POV कस्तो आइरहेछ यार. आइसिनु भयो सर. के छ हालमै? के छ हाल त? Yes. Good morning. Namaste जोजोलाई सबैजनालाई. Welcome back. Another vlog, but in Sydney now. Hope you guys enjoyed the Nepal series, right? And yeah, after that Nepal series, it's time for Australia ko vlogs haru, right? So अलि धेरै पछि नै मोटो vlog गरिरहेको छु आज. So it will be not just a motor vlog today. आज अलि धेरै कुराहरु मिक्स छ. Where exactly are we going आज भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ सुरुमा पेट्रोल पम्प. But exactly not there. So आज हामी जाने भनेको चाहिँ it's a supercar meet. Yeah, you heard it right, guys. It's a hypercar bhanam ki supercar bhanam ki ke bhanam haina, like it's a meet, car meet. Insane wala 300 भन्दा बढी गाडी छ रे के बुला. मेरो एउटा साथी चाहिँ पुगिसकेर हैन, and he was telling me like around 200-300 गाडीहरु छ रे. So yes, म त्यो आजको मेन मोटिभ भन्ने कि आज भ्लग मैले किन गर्न लाग्यो. So I'm taking my super bike 900cc त हो भन्दिम हैन, to supercar meet भन्छ कि के meet भन्छ नि, तर एकदम खतरा meet हो के, like one of the biggest meet in Sydney. Yes, त्यही भएर ढिलो ढाला नगरिकन हामी ठीक टक्क जान लाग्यो. 9 बजे स्टार्ट मिट, 12 बजेसम्म हो. एन्ड हामी घरबाट 9:30 बजे निस्क्यौँ. It was just like 15 minutes away. 9:46 मा पुग्छौँ रे. So yeah, honestly guys, we haven't even been to the meet हैन. मैले यहाँ सुप्रा र अर्को एउटा खतरावाला गाडी देखिसके भर्खरै हैन. I couldn't get that on camera, but yeah, बाटो भरि नै आज त्यस्तै छ. Why is it kind of dead यता? Oh my god, bro. Can I take my bike to the meet, can I? Oh my god, bro, this is freaking insane. Damn, bro. Honestly. Wow. Force देखि लिएर मलाई गाडी गरेर त्यस्तो धेरै आइडिया छैन, but guys, this is like freaking insane. Wow. आमा कति हो मान्छे. Bro, H2 त होइन होला यार. Damn, bro. Wee. उता राख्ने एउटा. Hey. Bro, के हो यस्तो? Huh? के हो यस्तो? खै अब टेक्स हान्नुपर्छ रुको ल. What's up, dude? Oh my god, I just...
McLaren's just left, you missed them.
Oh shit, okay, that's fine, man. There should be plenty in there, is it?
McLaren's only like one.
Huh? Still. There's an H2, man, just on the side of your bike, man. Huh? Hi. Oh, Ducati B4S, Street Fighter.
R7, CK.
Ooh, bro, I can't believe like what's going. Okay, one sec. Let me just get my cameras ready. What's up? Hello, mate. That's my mate, Mohammed. Ooh. Yes. So, should I show the bikes or the cars today? Ducati V4. Oh.
I don't know how.
Did you do a wheel?
Oh, no, he's still
Oh, really? And NK300. That's my mate's bike, MT-07. You're gonna be in the vlog.
Why is it yellow shit?
From the leaves. And that's an H2, guys. Yeah, guys, so finally we're here right now. It might be kind of loud. Hey, noise cancellation on there, sir. How are you feeling, mate?
There's a V4 Panago. There's in there. There's an R1M in there.
In the crowd? Oh, wow.
Original 60.
Yes, guys. H2 जाँदै रहेछ है क्या सही छ के तर गरे नाइस एक्जस्टमा निलो पनि रहेछ यार त्यो पाइपहरू निलो सही हो हेर नि त एक्जस्टमा त्यसलाई के भन्छ क्या निलो के बा के देखेँ कि देखाउनु के नदेखाउनु कि आज त यार कसम से यहाँ पनि बाइक त्यहाँ पनि बाइक यहाँ पनि बाइक त्यहाँ पनि बाइक सही हो बाबाले जे भयो तापनि होइन त्यसको अरै छुट्टै छ कि जसले जेसुकै भनोस् के वेबर्स इज वाट एभर H2 भने H2 नै हो क्या आम लाइक हुन्छ नि अकिरी न टोय स्टोर टाइप के कत्रा त्यही गाइज होइन अब गाडीहरू देखाउँछु म हामी यहाँबाट स्टार्टिङदेखि लिएर डोन्ट माइन्ड नि मैले कुनै गाडीको नाम नराम्रो लाइक गलत भने अथवा के भने पनि बिकज आम नट अ पर्सन द्याट हुन्छ नि नोज अ लट अबाउट कार्स क्लियर गाइज Damn, exhaust मा त निलो भइसकेको छ Sorry, sir. Wasn't seeing much of these Lambos.
I don't know.
That's a Lambo, but I don't know which one is it. That's M5 maybe? M5? Yeah, and sort of the Bokor Kine Gadi.
Oh, Civic.
Civic Type R. Guys are kini bhai selma raisa camera.
bike hit, he's not fucking revving it.
So it just ain't that loud, that's why.
Ah man, the X6R redlining is fucking loud.
You should have seen my friend's ZX6R. It's loud as hell.
Yeah. He has the fucking
Oh, I didn't realize that.
but still, he didn't redline it, he just it's
Oh.
dual pull.
CG4S. Okay. Alright guys. कार्मेट देखिसक्नु होला गयौँ हेरेँ मलाई खासै आइडिया थिएन तर पनि हैन हेरियो अहिले चाहिँ टाक्क लाएर हामी एकैरात ड्रोन लाछन् घाँसमा बसिरहेको थियौँ हैन तर अब चाहिँ भ्लग एन्ड गर्छु र लामो चाहिँ कस्तो भयो हैन कपिराइट लाग्छ भने खासै हालिन मैले तर पनि है त गाइस आजको भ्लग चाहिँ यतिसम्मै I'll see you guys in my next vlog until that bye bye peace out peace